Hey, it's Lawrence again here from highintensitybusiness.com. Do you wish there was just one single source that you could focus on to drive lots of high quality leads for your strength training studio business? So on the podcast recently and in these videos, I've been raving on about BNI and just networking in general. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm seeing our colleagues get amazing results in terms of generating leads through BNI, which by the way stands for Business Networking International. It's a weekly networking group. But I've also been going to BNI myself for our personal training business, Optima Strength. And we're getting huge returns. We're acquiring a new customer every single week through BNI. So we've already got a great return on our investment. And I just wanted to give you two really powerful tips that will really help you get the most out of BNI and drive the most business for your studio. The first one is to go read StoryBrand and Marketing Made Simple by Donald Miller and use that to update and craft your message so that when you give your message to your prospects and your audience, that it's really going to resonate with them and actually drive more leads and sales into your business. When you first join something like BNI, you have an opportunity every single meeting to do a 60-second presentation. Now, usually what you're meant to do is really educate the group so they can go and find referrals for you. But the reality is that in that group, you've got plenty of people in there that are probably members of your target market. They're usually mostly busy professionals, but they also obviously have networks of busy professionals as well. So I think the best thing to do is actually sell directly to the group in the beginning using a Marketing Made Simple or StoryBrand approach in the way you tell your story. And if you do this, I guarantee if you do it well, that you will get interest immediately and you will start generating those free workouts right away. You also want to encourage the group to come in for a free workout so they can actually experience your service, whether that's in studio or virtual. And obviously that then helps them understand how to refer business to you. But the reality is if you do the pitch right and you're also a good salesperson, you're probably going to convert that person into a client as well. So there's two great tips for you. Go read Marketing Made Simple by Donald Miller and StoryBrand and actually make sure you sell to the group when you join BNI to grow your business. Now, if you want more help with this and more help in growing your business in general, please go and check out HIT Business Membership. You can get the details for that over at highintensitybusiness.com/join. And that's where we provide you with how-to guides from successful strength training entrepreneurs to help you actually grow your studio business with confidence. I'm Lawrence, and this is High Intensity Business.